Alright, so we are installing a two-way cleanout right here. That is clay. It goes down to the street. But the reason we're doing this right here is because the only other cleanout is, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a door at the end of the building here. And we had to jet this line because there's a bunch of roots in there. And the main runs right through here, right there, and then it, as you saw just a second ago. So to get the jetter from that clean out in the water heater room all the way down here would blow off frickin' turd water in all the toilets. And we actually got it stuck when we jetted it the other day, so we had to turn the PSI up to, I think, 3,000 in it. Unit 1's toilet is right here, and it caused a pretty big mess. So yeah, their toilet is actually right below there. And we got it, I don't know if you can see it, but we got it stuck right in there somewhere, and it caused a major mess. So there's roots all up through here. So putting a two-way clean out so that we can jet the line in the future and not have any issues. Try the angle grinder on this one. FYI, angle grinder is the way to go. Someone flushed as we were doing it. All right, time to install that. Beautiful. Beauty amongst the pea water. Using this Jones Stevens clean out cap. It's really quite ingenious. It just pops up if there's too much pressure, and it's for 4-inch and 3-inch. And you just put it on there. It's really brilliant. So if it ever backs up, it'll all just pop out right here, which I love. And then lastly, not too bad. It's not too scaly, but that's what we cut out. All right, we're all done. What do you think? Is that too high? I personally like them high like that, so, you know, in the future, people know exactly where it is.